This 2023 Chevrolet Corvette SUV is the perfect rival to the Mustang Mach-E. That's not real, Will. Stop goofing with me. This render takes a look at how the C8 Corvette could work when a Chevrolet decides to broaden its range with a performance that, that's sick. I'll take that. You kidding me? I love these type, because Audi, when they did it, they did the same kind of idea. Uh-huh. They went with something that was more sleek and fast looking, and then they just made it off-road. Even Porsche did it with that. It has a really cool name. It's like an off-road. It's like an off-road 911. The 911 Dakar. Porsche 911 Dakar. Like it looks so cool to see a fast, smooth, sleek vehicle, but with the off-road treatment, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. Such a cool feeling. Anyway, I don't know if or when Chevrolet would do something like this, but it does actually look pretty sick. Sources inside GM have already said that the Corvette line will expand by 2025 and will potentially even become its own brand, much like the Mustang Mach-E is more like a brand than a follow-up to the Mustang, and is still a while off. It's too early to know how much Corvette SUV will cost, but Chevrolet would probably price the car below the standard Corvette to keep it at the top of the range. So it does appear that they're interested in expanding at least the Corvette lineup and taking a similar approach. This is always a controversial idea because people go, that's not like they did with the Mustang. Mm-hmm. That's not a Mustang, or that's not a Corvette. But these names have some pull, and they are the cool badges within these brands. Mm. So you kind of get it. And people love these supercar-like SUVs. Ferrari said they wouldn't do it. Lamborghini wasn't supposed to do it. And then they did it. And then it was like, oh, God, everyone's buying these.
Yeah,
so
very cool.
Maybe it's not as crazy as you think. Mm-hmm.